and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK, and I am just back from OnStage live in Vienna. It was a fabulous 3 days of crafting with fellow demonstrators from right across the world. So people had travelled to Vienna from over Europe, and we had some from Australia and quite a few from the United States, some from Canada, and it was just fabulous, absolutely fabulous. So while we were there, we were given a swag box. This is the pretty box. I even brought home some of the grid paper that we had as well, because it's just too pretty. In the swag box right now, I've got all the swaps that I received, and there's tons of them, so it will take me a while to go through them and show them to you. But we did get in that box this stamp set, hand-drawn dots that are all irregularly shaped as if they were hand-drawn. So can't wait to play with that one. And the other one that was in the swag box was this gorgeous, beautifully happy stamp set, and that will be available to you during celebration. And we are only going to have one celebration during 2023, and it's going to run from the 5th of January to the 28th of February. And this is one of the lovely products in there that you'll be able to earn for free with a qualifying order. I'll give you loads more information about that nearer the time, but heads up, save some of your Christmas pennies to be able to spend on some stamp sets during that period, or any supplies during that period, and you'll be able to get some free products too. During the event, we also got some other freebies, and I'll show you them in a moment. But the other thing that was in our swag box was this beautiful handbag. It's a very subtle Stampin' Up logo there, really nice strong magnetic catch, and Stampin' Up logo, and little zippy pocket, etc. inside. And there's a lovely nice big pocket at the back here. That is a perfect fit for the notebook that was in our swag bag as well. It's beautiful coordinating design along the sides, and too pretty to write in, to be perfectly honest. And that does slide in that back pocket there. How awesome is that? Perfect fit. It's almost as if it was designed to do it. Now, we did get a pen as well, but I've already got that in my other handbag, so I forgot to go and get it. So 2 stamp sets, one upside down, a handbag, a notebook, a pen, and we got our lanyard and some pins or badges. Everybody got this one, and then there were 2 other small ones, and you'll see I've only got one on there because I gifted it to one of our uplines in our team, Sam. It was a little, I think it might have been pink, or yeah, it was a light shade, and it had a little bunny on it, and everybody wanted that one. I had it, and donated it to the cause. So and then we were given these ones for 15 years in Europe, along with a delicious cupcake. I am in Sam's Puttlers team. You get your name badge with your country and meal choice, your title, and if you get ribbons for every qualification that you've had in the Stampin' Up year before OnStage. And Sam gave us these Puttlers Rock ones as well. So during the event we have what's called a prize patrol. So there's a number on the back of your name badge, and that is your prize number. So at some point they will say prize number 2 and you receive a gift, and this was mine. Isn't it stunning? So this is Like an Animal, and it's from this lovely new mini catalogue that launches at the beginning of January, and you'll see mine's has been well thumbed and got lots of things marked out already. I can't show you the inside of that or that at the moment, but I am allowed to show you the products I have. So let's just open this and have a look. So Like an Animal, it's 12 by 12. All out header. So you get 12 sheets, 2 of those ones, and what's it got on the back? Ooh, nice. So the colours in this pack, let me just see, are Basic Grey, Early Espresso, Sahara Sand and Soft Suede. So that'll be Soft Suede, Sahara Sand. Nice combo. But do love the foiling. Ooh, this one's like fishies. And a non-foiled one on the back. Lovely. Gorgeous. That's stunning, isn't it? So it's a similar pattern, but one foiled and on the other side it is not. Not sure we'll use the non-foiled, to be honest, when you've got foiling as gorgeous as that. Isn't it beautiful? So white and gold on that one, and that will be Sahara Sand and Early Espresso on that. Loving all these animal prints. It's like a giraffe. Oh man, that's super. Now see, that's probably the first one I've kind of preferred the non-foiled. Well, that's going to be a quandary, isn't it? And then this one. Love, 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 love. So pretty, so nice. Right, I'm gonna have fun with that one, definitely. So yeah, that was my prize patrol. So there were various different prize patrols during the event, and that was the one that I got for being in group number 2. Then we had a couple of everybody got freebies, and this one is called Decorative Borders. I'll admit this is probably not a stamp set that I would have picked, but it's perfect to give to everybody at a multi-national event because there's no sentiments in this one. You don't have to worry about giving the English, the French, the Dutch or the German versions of something. So I can't wait to play with this one, I have to admit. Really do like that. But these will be so pretty in corners. Oh yeah, watch this space. I will be playing with that one. As I say, not a stamp set I would normally have gone for because I do like words like that one, but can't wait to play with it. And then there was another all participants freebie, and this one's called Dried Brushed Metallic. It's 12 by 12 speciality, obviously, and you get 4 sheets in this one. 2 of each. Ooh, I've stuck the packaging to it, have I? No, it's okay. It's good. It's good. It's good. And the colours in this are Cajun Craze and Petal Pink and Soft Succulent. So these are one-sided, And that's the 2 different designs on that. Isn't that awesome? For free! Love free! I think free might be my favourite price ever. Okay, so I had to pay to go, but hey, it's still free in my eyes. So 4 sheets of that. Awesome. And we did a make and take on the Friday, I think it was. All the days have kind of merged, I'm afraid. And for our make and take, we actually used these kits, and these have just launched. They are available already, and I've forgotten what it's called. And there's always extra supplies on the table as well. So it's the Timeless Greetings kit. I'll put a link to that, because you can buy that right now in the description bar for this video. And this kit does come in various languages, and I got the kit in French. So what we did was make some of the cards, and as usual I don't actually follow the instructions, so I did mine slightly differently, having my layer at an angle. Loving these little brass, yeah, I think they are sort of brass embellishments, diamond shapes, nice. So yeah, I made a couple of cards while we were there, but we got to bring back the rest of the supplies. So I have a stamp set with French and another one with French. So yeah, a merci stamp is always going to be useful, but got that world and the clock stamp will be quite useful, and I think I might know somebody that might like this spare one with the clock, and might just have to send that to her. So yeah, and got the rest of the kit, and there were some Stampin' Blends on the table that weren't used as well, so I snaffled into. So got some extra spare basic black ones, which is quite good, because I did use my basic black on my swaps to colour some other gems to black, because I ran out of the black ones I was using. So yeah, I've got lots of new things to play with already, and one of the other perks of going to OnStage is that you get to order some of the new products in advance of everybody else that didn't go to OnStage. So I've got more goodies coming, hopefully very, very soon. So I'll come back and show you my swaps. I definitely won with the swaps. I came back with tons more than I took, and I can't wait to go through them all and share them with you. So I will be back sometime soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.